So hello guys, today in this video we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. As you can see here, it's a very special video, and first of all I'm going to cut the seal and open it for the first time. Let's set the phone turn on and set this here and see what is in the box. We have this little Samsung. It says this is a super fast charger, 25 watts from Samsung with USB type C. This box has nothing. I don't know for what reason Samsung put it in a box, or just to fill the box. Here we have EKG tuned earphones with type C connector and some tips. Here you see USB-C type, some tips to fit in your ears perfectly, and we also have USB to USB-C charging cable. You can see this USB in front and the end, and so let's move it away, this box, and take a look at the phone. Let's set up the phone. Maybe it's better. You can see better. First of all, I'm going to peel this off. And also the back film. And this little sticker here. Let's clean it up. This is a cosmic black color which I get. So continue with the phone. Let me connect to my network. Checking for updates. The next thing is copy apps and data. I want to copy. Next. Wait. Copy. Can't use alt phone. Yes, because I don't have the alt phone right there. I just want to bring from my Gmail. I'll bring my data back with my Gmail account and Samsung account. There are all of my photos and my stuff here, you can see. Next. Where the pen maybe. So after writing my app, I will restore all of my data. Accept. I like fingerprint. Continue. I'll set the pin. Get the full scan. And it's finished. Okay. Let's do camera for better viewing. I will pause the video until this finish because it can take a long time. Adding the finishing touches, and I think this is almost ready. So now I'm going to enter my Samsung account. So after I write my email and password, just need to make sure I need to insert my SIM card to do that. So I'm going to see it here. Here are some quick start guides and some things like that are not so useful. So I plugged in my SIM card. I'm going to search for my country. This is not my country, but there is how it needs to be. Just wait until this code arrives and continue. So here it is, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, all set up, done, and here it is. So I need to bring back my data and it's done. So thanks for watching and see you next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos about Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. See you next time. Thanks for watching.